look, everything's working. 2 double tracks, crossovers, light. Now this one here had a little problem with some of these cars, so they were misbehaving, so I put them on the siding. Now I'm going to see if I can get that to hook up with that. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. Alrighty, boy. What a pro I am, huh? Okay, now look. This is going to go by the signal. So let's get the whole thing rolling. Might have to give it, no, that's okay. All right, here we go. Look at that. It's all working. Oh my gosh. Let's see, this is the testing point now. Don't stop. And don't derail. It always derails there. All right. Yay! Oh my God. This is so awesome. Everything's working now. Oh no, look what happened. I spoke too soon. Let me get this one off. Okay. There's something right here. I don't know what it is. Right there. It kind of stops. But look. How cool. And the wires are still pretty good. The only thing is I'd like to get this box and that box together so I don't have to keep walking around the table. Okay. I'm good. Look at that. So cool. I love it. I absolutely love it. Cool. This is so cool. Oh, I need more tracks. I need landscape. Let's see if I can get it from up here. Can you see the whole thing? Maybe not. But anyway, there I go. My little layout. It's pretty darn cool. Alrighty.